How to install more games in Gaming Hub on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then open up the Gaming Hub. In Gaming Hub, if you want to play more games or install more games, just simply scroll down here and find a game that you would like to play. So there's quite a lot of options, a lot of games for you to download. So here we got you can browse games by popular categories such as puzzle, arcade, sport, one hand, timing, dexterity, merging, card. If you like playing card game, you can tap on that, and that will sort out all the cards game for you to play. And then to install it, just simply tap on the game, then tap on play now. This is the instant play game that you can play straight away. Okay, so you can go down here and view the games that you want to play. So we've got solitaire here as well. These are instant playing games. If you have manually downloaded games and if it's not showing in your gaming hub, you can tap on that. In here are your games. If you find that it's not in there, you can tap on the more button, then tap on add games. And from the list of apps, simply select the games that are not adding to your gaming hub, and then you can just select that and then add it. And there it is, has moved to gaming hub. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.